Today on Cooking with David, I'm going to be making Romanesco cauliflower with harissa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first take my Romanesco cauliflower, which you can see is very beautiful. I actually bought it at Whole Foods for $1.69 a pound. I'm going to rinse it off and cut it up into individual pieces, just like you would with the cauliflower. I'll show you what that looks like after I'm done rinsing it and put it into this bowl so I can rub it with harissa and some olive oil. So I'll show you once I cut it up. Cauliflower, a lot of the times I'll cut it up, but for this one it's so nice and pretty, I'm just going to kind of pull apart each little piece and put it in the bowl like this. So that's just kind of how I do it. Sometimes I'll cut it smaller if the pieces are really big so that it roasts real nice. So I'll show you once I get it all into the bowl. So I've got my cauliflower, in this case Romanesco cauliflower, into my bowl. I kind of split it up because I had a lot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scoop of my harissa. I'm going to stir it up. Honey, you mind holding the camera for a sec? Or you little busy? Okay, well I'm going to stir that up. I'm going to take some olive oil. Well, I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to kind of pour some in there. Stir it on up. And I've heated the oven. My wife's going to hold the camera. I've heated the oven up to about 400 degrees. And I'm going to split this cauliflower between two pans. So I'm just going to kind of coat it with this. Throw some salt on it too. If you like some salt on there, it's probably pretty crucial so it tastes good. Alright, I like the way that's looking. It's pretty well coated. Let me grab the salt real fast. I'm going to take about a spoonful of salt.
It's a very small spoon.
Very small spoonful. Mix it up again and follow me over here. We're going to dump it into our pan. Now you obviously want to make sure it's like spread out enough to roast pretty well. So I'm going to do the same thing with the next batch and then put it in the oven for about 40 minutes. So I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Let's take a look at our Romanesco cauliflower. Woo! See, it's kind of starting to get a little blackened and good. It's been, well, 40 minutes minus 12. It's been 28 minutes, so I'm going to let it keep going. We'll see how it goes. So, yeah, cooking with David! Guys, this is the final product, okay? Yum! Properly roasted, a little blackened. I eat this on the side of my fish. I eat it as a snack if I get hungry, rather than eating some chips or something unhealthy. So honestly, it's a very good way to cook it. I'll link my harissa recipe video down below, in case you want to check that out to make the harissa, which then you need to make this Romanesco cauliflower. Or broccoli, I don't know. One of the two. Alright everybody, thanks for joining me on Cooking with David! See you next time.